guys, welcome back to the channel. Zero DTCs here. So today we're going to be working on this Kia Sportage. This is the 1.7 diesel engine. So it is red and goes faster. So this particular car is quite special. So it goes by the name of Keith, the Kia. So Keith apparently is not very happy today. So he's got a few warnings on the dashboard. As we usually say, the money light is on. Let's see what's going on with it. Alright guys, so before we start scanning the vehicle and see what codes do we have, just would like to say, so as we all know, Christmas is up on us, and as we can see, this dashboard is one step ahead. So it's actually not just one warning light, it's all of them. So this dashboard, it looks like a Christmas tree. So yeah, this car, well, Keith is one step ahead. So anyway, enough of jokes. So let's get started. So I've scanned the vehicle, and basically we only have one code present, which is the wheel speed sensor. So rear right, and is open short. Spinning the left wheel now. And then spinning the right rear wheel now. Nothing at all. Right, okay guys, so this is my setup. So basically I'm using that sensor to verify if all the wiring going back to the ABS, and the ABS module is happy with this sensor. To turn the ignition off actually, but let's see if this works. So let's erase the codes. Yes, and then let's go back, and then there we go. So let's read it one more time. No DTC, so zero DTC. So Keith is happy with this sensor, so we know that the wiring is good. Little bit of rust, nothing major. Brake pads are still okay. Take this brake disc off. Let's clean this up as much as we can, just to make sure that the bearing sits properly. Ooh. Did you see that? Lovely. Let's clean all this dust down. Alright guys, we are literally halfway through to this diagnosis and repair. If you like this video, if you find the footage or the content by any way entertaining, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and stay tuned. Okay, that's our repair done. So back to the scanner, and actually we don't have any DTC, so 0 DTCs already. So just to be 100% sure, we're gonna go to data stream, and then we're gonna do the same kind of test. So spin the wheel and make sure that we have activity on the actual graphic. It's always good. So just gonna spin the wheel, and we should have, and we do. So all good there. We are at 5 miles an hour. Look at that. Perfect. We are left with that symbol. That symbol means the TPMS warning. This is the TPMS warning. So we're gonna check the tire pressures. Top tip here: if you want to do the right tire pressure, just Google it. Or if you want to be really clever, so you just go on the driver door. There was a label. The majority of the manufacturers, they do this, and they actually tell you the right pressure on the vehicle. So what the right pressure should be. On this case, it should be 2.4 bar at the front and 2.4 bar at the rear. Or 1.9. Oh, Keith is not happy with this one. We're gonna need to check this one for slow punctures. Just make sure that there's no leaks on this tire. And we managed to get rid of all the warnings on the dashboard. Now the plan here was just to top up the screen wash fluid. I already realized that my microphone was completely off when I reviewed the footage, so I was completely mute. Yeah, a little joke, but you get the idea. Hope you enjoyed it. And that's all that we've got for the video today, guys. So hopefully you like this video, you find it entertaining, and hopefully this video will help someone out there which having or had this sort of issue. So if you did, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.